Hello guys, welcome to my channel Why Succeed, and this is luckyxman again. Alright, today I'm going to unbox my light mode. Here we go, light mode and max grip tripod from GoPro. Okay, and there is another one guys. Currently I'm using is a media mode. Okay, media mode. Hang on, this is gonna be attached to the media mode and that's gonna be the tripod. So I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like when I attach to the media mode with the GoPro. Okay, for now it's gonna be only light mode guys. It's very good. Okay, let's do it. Let's unbox it. So before we start anything, let's play this intro and I'm gonna come back. Welcome back guys after this intro, and without doing any delay, let's open up. All right, I'm excited too and I hope you're excited as well. Okay, let's do this. All right, I think this tape is right here. There we go. Here we go guys. All right, that's empty. There's nothing in there guys. Okay, and I'll show you what's in here. Right, okay, sorry about that. All right guys, that's the manual. Okay, and there's a light mode user guide. Yeah, there's a user guide how you're supposed to be using it, and there's, I think that's for the soft light. There's a light cover, the white light cover, and this is it guys. This is the one. Okay, here we go. This is the one. I was waiting for it, and this is a clip where you can attach to the media mode, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like when I attach to the media mode as well. And this is the one, comes with the box, and this goes with the frame. So I think this is supposed to be like this. Here we go. This clip goes right here, so you can attach to any tripod or anything like that, like GoPro. And let's check this out. Right, I haven't tried this before, but how do you take him out? Here we go. Okay, it's not hard guys, not very hard. And let's check what's in the box. Oh, there's a cable. Right, this is USB-C guys. This is a good fact about GoPro, they give you USB-C. Everything is USB-C these days pretty much, and they charge very fast and very reliable cable, I guess. So that comes with the light mode. Okay, this is a light, and okay, let's turn it on. Here we go guys, that's it. That's a light, that's a LED light. Okay, I'm pretty excited. Okay, here we go. If you double tap it, more bright. If you tap it again, here comes less bright, more bright, flashlight. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's turn it off for now. Okay, let's do this. Okay, that's all comes with the light mode, and let's put that in here for now. And there's the one max grip. Okay, I'm gonna open up max grip now. There we go. Alright guys, look, if you're gonna buy this GoPro stuff, it was not very expensive because I had a discount and I got $60 just for light mode, and this one I think is $20 for me. It's pretty cheap. I got pretty cheap. That's the one I get guys, max grip. Alright, hang into it. It's more to come about this. I'm gonna check if there's anything else in the box. Alright, there's nothing. It's empty. I think that's a user guide. There's a lifetime warranty, and there's nothing in the box. Okay, here we go. Let's put that inside. Okay guys, this is a max grip, and I was pretty excited to get this, and because this is very multi-purpose and this is very steady guys, very steady, and it's gonna work as a tripod. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. All right, so if you twist it a bit, it comes bigger. Okay, comes bigger, and if you want to unlock it, just twist a little bit, and it's gonna unlock it, lock it, or unlock it. Here we go. Comes back again, goes back again. There we go. If you want to make it bigger, right, this is how tall it is normally, okay? And this grip feels so good, you know, pretty good. I can put the thumbs in here, or right. And there's another thing, guys. There's a GoPro logo, all right? This is genuine GoPro Max grip, so it's not scam or Chinese or anything like that, okay? All right, there is a mystery, guys. Okay, let's open that up. Open that up. Open that up. Here we go. This is a tripod and very, very steady, guys. Very good quality and very nice. Okay, so what happens is, if you wanna attach to the ground or anything like that, there is a button right here. Okay, if you wanna check this out, right here. So if you wanna attach to the ground anything, if you wanna make it more steady, you can do it. Okay, and I think there is something in here too. If you wanna check this out, there is a magnet. Okay, every time you flip together, the magnet attaches itself. There is a magnet. Okay, so you don't need to worry about, you know, breaking down or anything like that. But if you smash it, you'll break it down for sure. But you know, normally when you put them together, it's gonna get self together because there is a magnet. Okay, let's show you again. Here we go. Okay, there is a magnet. All right, that's it, guys, and this is it. That's a tripod, you know, max grip. It's a light mode. It's a light mode series, and I'm gonna show you how you put the cap in it. So I like with the cap because I think it's gonna be better with the cap. The reason is, yeah, it's always better because your lights get softer, you know, it's softer. So yeah, let's put that on side and show you. Come closer because I'm not sure how to open this, but oh, all right, let me try this. Okay, I haven't. Here we go, guys. So this one, if you want to open a cable, you know, USB-C cable, just take that clip right here, it's gonna open itself. So there's a USB-C charging port, and yeah, this is very, very tiny, guys. Very, very tiny, very, very, you know, portable. And LED lights and the brightness is, you know, already looked up in the internet. It was very, very good. All right, okay, so now this is it. Come now, this is what I got, guys. All right, so here we go. That's the two item, and now I'll show you how it's gonna look like with the media mode. Okay, all right. Here we go, guys, and now I'm showing you my GoPro 8 Hero 8. That's a GoPro 8. Okay, I don't have a cover for right now because I use my media mode. Okay, guys, so let's put that on side, and this is a media mode, guys. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is pretty much is a cover for GoPro 8. It has a bit of, you know, a place where you can put the light mode. On the side you can put, like, you know, you can put display mode as well, you know, the flippy screen. I haven't got that flippy screen 8, but I've got a light mode, and you can put, you know, microphone, extra microphone. Okay, but this one I tried many times, guys, and I tried recording with this front microphone. Okay, because this video is I'm shooting from my phone. But before this, you can find the difference between the sound quality. Okay, this microphone gets better sound quality than my phone, of course. So, you know, in my opinion, I think I don't need a microphone. I don't need a microphone because this works pretty well, and there is a GoPro you can set up front or back. Okay, so that's a media mode, and there's a media mode. There you go. You know, this is what it's look like from the back, and it's got a USB-C port and a charging port, and this is microphone port. Okay, there's 3 of them. Very easy, guys. Okay, let me show you how it's gonna look like, and this is how you placed it in. Okay, it goes right here. clip. Okay, this is what it's look like with the media mode, and I'm gonna place this light mode, okay, together. So here we go. All right, this is the light mode, guys. It's already looking better. Okay, it's already looking better. And this for tripod, okay, max grip. Let's put that in together. Guys, I'm gonna put the link in the description. I don't get any commission or anything like that by selling these, promoting this, because this is genuinely I'm making videos to tell you guys. If anyone wants to buy it or anything like that, you need to know what's the outcome before you buy anything. So this is it. All right, this is pretty good for blogging, and this is pretty good for if you want to make this camera for your studio, anything like that. I've been using the same camera for a while, and I'm really enjoying it. It's very portable, very small, and it gives you good quality audio and the video. That's all I want. Okay, and because the lighting was pretty intense for me, every time I shoot videos I had the issue with the lighting, and now I'm buying this. I already bought it. I got it right here, so I don't have issue now. So let's put the light on. Here we go, guys. Look at this. Okay, look at this. This is much better. Okay, it's gonna give me, okay, see, this is light with my face, and I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, off. You can see the difference with the lighting. Okay, it's already better with the better lighting. So let me try this again. Here you go. Okay, let me try with a different mode. This is brighter. Okay, this is more bright. Okay, and here we go. A bit dim. Okay, it's not too bright. Yeah, more bright. Give it one click, it's gonna flash. Okay, guys. All right, many of you might think, why do you need this flashing light for? It's GoPro. You don't need this flashing light when you record a video. But especially when you walk in a dark place, in the street or the bush area, if you want to give indication when you're crossing the road or anything like that. If you're in a push bike, you can use this light, flashing light, to tell people, make sure no accident happens. So this is pretty good. I like it the way it is. Let's stop that for now. Okay, I'm gonna show you my face before the lighting and after lighting. So I was shooting my video with purpose with no lighting. This is only daylight. I just shot this video with daylight. So this is the normal light. With this GoPro media mode light, light mode. A bit brighter. Okay, it's a little bit brighter, and there we go, more bright. Okay, now you tell me the difference, if you like it or not. But guys, for me, it's pretty good. Okay, it's a good bargain. If you need it, just buy it. Right? Okay, what I'm gonna do now is turn this off. Okay. All right. Here we go. This is what it looked like. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for being with me today. And this is a review, guys. This is the media mode with the light mode and the max grip, and let's show you with the tripod. Okay, I think that's a better way to do it. Here we go. Okay, this is pretty good, guys. Okay, this is looking fantastic for me. Okay, it's looking fantastic. Alright, guys, thank you for being with me. If you haven't subscribed my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Okay.